Exercise 6C of class 4, question number 1. Write down the factors of the following numbers. First one, 44. So how can we get the factors of a number? So for finding out the factors of 44, first of all we will write down the 44 here and the factors here. Now first of all we will divide the 44 by 2. So here 2 and 22 are the factors of 44. Now we will divide 44 by 4. Here 4 11 ja 44. So 4 and 11 is also factor of 44. Now here after 4 and before 11 there is no number that is factor of 44. So these are the factors, yeah, and 1 and 44. 1 and number itself is also the factor of each of the number. So the total factors are 1, 2, 4, 22, 11 and 44. In the same way we will find out the second one, the factors of 90. So 1 and 90 is the factor of 90. Then we will divide 90 by 2. So the answer is 45. So 2 and 45 is also the factor of 90. Then we will divide 90 by 3. 3 3 is 9 and 3 0 is 0. So 3 and 30 is also the factor of 90. Then we will divide it by 5 because 4 it can be divisible by 4. So we will divide 90 by 5. So 5 and 18 is also the factor of 90. Then we will divide it by 6. So 6 and 15 is also the factor of 90. Then it can be divisible by 7, it can be divisible by 8. So we will divide it by 9. So 9 10 ja 90. So 9 and 10 is also the factor of 90. So here are the factors of 90. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. In the same way we will do the rest of the questions also. So in this way we can solve the rest of the question also. The question number C, the factors are 1, 5, 43 and 215. Question number D, 339 is the factors are 1, 3, 113 and 339. In the same way we will do the rest of the question also. Now question number second, express the product of three factors. It means first of all we will divide this number by 2. Then what will be the answer? We have to divide it by 5 or 7. For example, here we can see, here we have divided 70 by 2. The answer is 35. Then again we have to divide 35 by any number, that is 5. So here 2, 5 and 7. These are the factors of 70. If we multiply these three numbers, then we will get 70 as our answer. In the same way we will do the second. The question is 42. So we have divided 42 by 2. So the answer is 21. Again we have to divide 21 by any number, that is 3. 3 7 ja 21. So the three factors are 2 into 3 into 7. If we multiply this number, we will get 42 as our answer. Question number C, 75. We have divided 75 by 5. The answer is 15. Again we have to divide 15 by any number, that is we can divide it by 3. 3 5 ja 15. So here are three numbers. One is 5 into 3 into 5. In this way we can find out the factors of 120. 120 is 2 into 4 into 15. And here 385, 5 into 7 into 11. Next one, question number 3, first one. Write all consecutive even numbers between 51 and 71. So first of all we have to write the numbers from 51 to 71. Now here even numbers are 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68 and 70. These are the consecutive even numbers. Consecutive means the continuous way. After 52 the next even number is 54. After 54 the next even number is 56. These are called consecutive even numbers. Question number B. Write first 7 multiples of 12. 7 multiples means we have to write down the table of 12 up to 7. For example, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24. In this way we have to write the table of 12 up to 12 7 is 84. These are the first 7 multiples of 12. Question number C. Write the multiples of 13 which lie between 50 and 100. So first of all we have to write down the table of 13 and then we have to find out the numbers from 50 and 100. So here is the table of 13. Here after in between 50 and 100, these are the 4 multiples, that is 52, 65, 78 and 91. These are the 4 multiples of 13 which lies between 50 and 100. Next, question number D. Write all odd numbers between 30 and 50. So first of all we have to write down the numbers of 30 and 50. Now we have to mark the odd numbers, that is 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. These are the odd numbers in between 30 and 50. Next question, question number E. Write all prime numbers between 60 and 80. So first of all we will write down the numbers between 60 and 80. Now the prime numbers means a number which cannot be divisible by other number. So first of all we have to cut the multiple of 2. For example, all the even numbers are multiple of 2, so this cannot be a prime number. Now multiple of 5 is also. Now 69 is divisible by 3, 77 is divisible by 7 and 63 is divisible by 3. So here the left numbers are 61, 67, 79, 73 and 71. So these are the prime numbers: 61, 67, 71, 73 and 79. These are the prime numbers in between 60 and 80. Now question number 4. Write P for prime and C for composite numbers. So prime numbers means a number which cannot be divisible by other numbers, and composite numbers means a number can be divisible by other number. So 12 is a composite number because it can be divisible by 2. 31 is a prime number. 38 can be divided by 2, so it is a composite number. 46 is also composite number. 61 is a prime number. 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. 83 is a prime number. 99 is a composite number. 2 is a prime number. 2 is the smallest even prime number because after 2 all the even numbers are multiples of 2. So only 2 is a prime number. After 2 all are composite numbers. 107 is also a prime number. 101 is also a prime number. 73 is also a prime number. Now the last question, question number 5. Express the product of prime factors. So here first of all we will take the question number 1, that is 54. We will write 54 and make a design like this. Now 54 can be divided by 2, so we will divide 54 by 2. So 2 2 is 4 and 2 7 is 14. Again 27 is there. 27 cannot be divided by 2, so we will divide it by next prime number, that is 3. 3 9 is 27. Again we can divide 9 by 3, so 3 3 is 9. Again we can divide 3 by 3, so 3 1 is 3. So these are the prime factors of 54. We can write 54 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. These are the prime factors of 54. Question number B, 144. 144 can be divided by 2. 272 is 144. 236 is 72. 218 is 36. 29 is 18. Now 9 cannot be divided by 2. So we will divide 9 by 3. 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So the prime factors of 144 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Question number C, 112. So 256 is 112. 228 is 56. 214 is 28. 27 is 14 and 71 is 7. So the factors of 112 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. Question number D, same here. 108 is 216, then 254 is 108, 227 is 54, then 27 cannot be divided by 2, so we will divide it by 3. 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So the prime factors of 216 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. In this way we can solve the exercise. In the next class we will do the exercise 6D.